Hey everyone, welcome back to Mungai's Space. My name is Tracy. Today we are diving into a fabulous hair tutorial that's perfect for all my 4C hair girlies. We're going to create a sleek low bun that's stylish, elegant, and surprisingly easy to achieve. All this while I reintroduce myself because it's been a while since I last posted. So grab your hair tools and let's get started. To get that flawless, sleek, low bun, you'll need a few essentials. So one is a good leave-in conditioner or treatment, a styling gel, a detangling brush or comb, some bobby pins, and some hair bands. First things first, let's start with a little TLC for your hair.
So our hair is moisturized, and for that we're going to be using hair treatment. This is a leave-in by Miadi. It's cheap. It's 170 bob, so anyone can get it, really.
Apply your leave-in conditioner evenly throughout your hair to keep it moisturized and manageable.
So, if you're new here, welcome. If you're new, I hope you love it here. I create videos that mainly focus on 4C hair, but I also do some lifestyle content at times. Next, you're going to use a comb or a brush to gently work through the knots and tangles. Because my hair is pretty short, I'm going to section it into 2 parts so that it can be easier that way. So, the thing that inspired me to start this channel in the first place was the fact that I finally got a channel to express myself and my ideas in a way that was productive. That's why. And my 2 favorite things and my 2 favorite tips that I've learned about natural 4C hair is 1, the use of oils on your hair, which make your hair look so good and so healthy. And also the fact that if you use honey or honey products, your hair actually looks more moisturized because honey is a humectant, and a humectant is actually something that attracts moisture. Yeah. Heard it here first or second. Now we're going to apply a generous amount of hair gel onto the 2 section parts, because this is the star of the show. This is what is giving us the sleek. Quite a generous amount, really. So we're going to apply it to the first section, which is the bottom section.
Then there's also this tip of using satin scarves or satin bonnets, pillowcases, and scrunchies. Now, apply a generous amount of styling gel to your hair to help it lay flat and sleek. Repeat that on the next section. Focus on your edges and your roots for that ultra smooth finish. Personally, I approach hair care and styling from a point of hair being natural.
And like a famous musician once said, Team Natural comes C2. If you want to cut it, I didn't tell you to cut it, but hey, I cut mine. Yeah, if you want to apply relaxer, you do you. It's natural, right? So I'm standing because I've been attacked by the ants. But this is their home, so I'm the one who is attacking them.
Gather your hair into a low ponytail and make sure it's as smooth as possible. Use a brush or your fingers to smooth it out.
Don't go styling your hair outside, especially where there's ants. But the air is so fresh though. I got my ex's brush from his bathroom. I hope he doesn't miss it. But don't worry guys, I'll disinfect it before I give it back.
Again, since we're working on pretty short hair here, we'll add an extension.
Just make sure you slick down your hair into a bun, which I am happy to say that we have achieved. It's not that flat, so what we're going to do is we'll use some pins
and feel free to use as many as you need to keep everything snug and secure.
I'm excited to create more videos on 4C hairstyles because I want to try out new things. Like I want to learn how to part my hair neatly, and I also want to learn how to do twists and braids. That's one thing that I'm very excited to be posting in the few coming videos. So look out for that. Now that we have our hair in a pony, you can see that my hair is pretty short, and it's taken me a lot to get it to lay down. So we're going to use a hair extension. So if you want a sleek bun or a sleek style, you need to have a scarf, and you need to put it on for about 10 to 15 minutes so that it can soak up all that extra product and leave your hair looking sleek and dry. So now we're going to add in our extension.
I've always been so interested in styling my own hair, and that's how I got into this. I pray that I build an amazing community of people that help each other to be the best versions of themselves on this channel.
So the other thing I wanted to say actually was what I hope to, like, what are my goals for my channel this and the upcoming years. The thing I want to do with this channel is I want and I pray that I create a community of people who are interested in the same areas of life that I'm interested in, and I want to grow a community of people who are intentional with becoming the best versions of themselves, and I pray that I achieve that someday. Amen. So this is the final look.
A gorgeous, sleek, low bun that's perfect for any occasion. Easy to achieve and oh so stylish.
What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.